Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 5. Okay students, check out your textbooks and open your page number 38. Mention date on your page. Today is 3/7/2020 and day is Friday. The comma review. Okay, today we are going to read about the comma. That what is the use of the comma. Read the following uses for the commas and study the examples. Now we have different use for writing these comma. Okay, for using the comma, look at the example. Now the comma is used to clarify the meaning of a sentence. First one, what is the purpose of using the comma? That it clarify the meaning of the sentence. Okay, compare the following sentences. They know Auntie Shama. They know Auntie Shama. Okay, they are talking about two things. That one is they know and the second one is to whom? Auntie Shama. Okay. Then in the first sentence, the speaker is informing the listener that a group of people knows a person called Auntie Shama. In the second sentence, the speaker is addressing Auntie Shama and telling her that a group of people is aware of something. In the first, it is clarifying that group of people knows Auntie Shama, but in the second, he is telling us that the speaker is addressing Auntie Shama and telling her that a group of people is aware of something. ठीक है, उनको पता है. Then number 2, the comma can also separate items in a list. It is also used to separate items in a list. For example, we are talking about 5 to 6 things. For example, pencil, razor, sharpener, book, notebook, activity book, textbook. So we will put comma in all of them. But before writing the last figure or digit or the thing, we will put and. ठीक है, but in all between all the words we will use comma to separate the items in a list. The narrator lists Auntie Shama's qualities and a comma is used to separate the items in the list. Look at the example. The qualities that endear Auntie Shama to us are her sense of humor, then comma, her captivating way of telling stories, and her optimistic attitude towards life. Number third use is, or the third way in which we use comma, the comma can separate an introductory word or phrase or an adverb or adverbial phrase that applies to the rest of the sentence. What are the adverbs? What are the adverbial phrases? These describe more about verb. ठीक है, and they also shows that where, when, what और who इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देते हैं अबाउट वर्ब. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट डे. और इट ऑल्सो यूज टू सेपरेट एन इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड और अ फ्रेज. ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड जो स्टार्ट का एक आपका कुछ फ्रेजेस होते हैं या कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं. ठीक है, अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. द नेक्स्ट डे comma, James was in the library after school as usual. The phrase the next day introduces the rest of the sentence. ठीक है, this next day is the base of the rest of the sentence. Then number 4, we have the comma can separate a phrase or clause in a sentence that gives additional information about the main clause. For example, Auntie Shama is my mother's sister from Singapore, comma, an island at the southern tip of peninsular Malaysia. It separates the phrase and the clause. What is the phrase? Phrase is a group of words. Okay, so in this sentence they are separating two things. Okay, the first one is the and the second one is the more explanation of this one. The phrase after the word Singapore gives us more detail about the place. The comma after Singapore is after this comma, all the sentence is giving us the more information about the Singapore than where she lives in Singapore, but where in Singapore. The comma, next number 5 is the comma can separate clauses from the main clause that follows. Although she lives far from us, we have been keeping in touch. The comma in the example above separates an adverbial clause beginning with although from the main clause that comes after it. So in this, comma is used to separate the clause from the main clause. ठीक है. The comma can separate question tags from the rest of the sentence. For example, Auntie Shama is going to check our ears again, isn't she? ठीक है, these are known as the tag questions in which we end the question with this. ठीक है, isn't she, क्या ऐसा नहीं है, वो ऐसा करती हैं क्या, वो ऐसा नहीं करती. So these are the tag questions. Then the comma is used at the beginning or end of direct speech. Let us take a peek, Jason said to Letty. What is the direct speech and what is the indirect speech? Direct speech में क्या होता है कि मेरे बताए हुए वर्ड्स आपने एज इट इज़ किसी और को बता दिए, तो वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच हो गई. ठीक है, अगर मेरे वर्ड्स आपने अपने वर्ड्स में मिक्स करके किसी और को बताए हैं, सो दिस विल बी द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी यूज़ डायरेक्ट स्पीच देन वी विल यूज़ inverted commas and simple comma. ठीक है, after completing the direct speech and closing the inverted commas we will use simple comma. Then think about where to place the comma in these sentences. Give reasons for your answers. Okay, now take out your activity books. The comma review. Mention date on your page number 29, 3/7/2020 and day is Friday. Exercise 2E, which is of the punctuation. The comma review. The sentences below have been punctuated wrongly. Rewrite each sentence using punctuation marks correctly. In the box beside each sentence, explain how the comma should be used. We have to use the comma in these sentences, and then we have to give the reason that why we use this comma in these sentences. Number 1, the traffic lights were faulty, drivers drove slowly, pupils were late for school. ठीक है, they have put comma in after every phrase. ठीक है, so the traffic lights were faulty, put comma, drivers drove slowly, comma, and pupils were late for the school, full stop. 2 separate items. ठीक है, we have separated the items. Then number 2, Misha and Jared share a roll of masking tape, a bottle of glue, a pair of scissors and colored paper. This is also 2 separate items, so we will put comma in all these things. Misha and Jared share a roll of masking tape, then comma, bottle of glue, comma, a pair of scissors, comma, and colored paper. Okay, then number 3, she loves light pink satin dresses. We won't use any kind of comma in it. ठीक है, she loves light pink and satin dresses. No comma should be used. Then number 4, yesterday after he had finished his sums, he went to play football with his neighbors. So this is the introductory part. Yesterday, use comma, after football, he had finished sums, then comma, he went to play football with his neighbors. What is the reason that why we separated it? To separate introductory word and 2 clauses. Okay students, this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next lecture with a new topic, and in our next class we will do this lesson, that is Pinky. Before our lecture, what you have to do, you have to give a reading or to this lesson, so it will help you in your lecture. ठीक है, when I will be telling you the story or the concept of this lesson, then it will clicking you in your mind that okay, when I was reading, so the meaning of this thing was this, and I was taking it like that. Okay, before ending this lecture, students, I have a few things to talk to you. ठीक है, regarding your test. There were a lot of mistakes in the application writing. ठीक है, what was the first mistake? When you write an application, you have to start it like this. This is the pattern of writing the application. After 2 you have to put the comma, the principal. P will be capital. After principal you will use comma, then your school full name, modern language school and college. Modern's M will be capital, language L will be capital, schools S will be capital. You have to put this and ठीक है, बिकॉज इन योर स्कूल नेम वी हैव दिस एंड, ठीक है, नॉट द ए एंड डी वाला एंड. Then college C will be capital, and after this you have to use the comma, or if you are using its short form, so you will use it like this and then comma, ठीक है. And then in the next line you will write I11 3, then comma, then Islamabad, then full stop, ठीक है. Few of the students they have wrote it like this, like I11 3, ठीक है, and then in the next line they have wrote it like this, Islamabad. This is the wrong thing, ठीक है. The correct one is like this. Then you will write respected sir, comma, R will be capital, S will be capital. It won't be dear sir, ठीक है, because we are writing application of because of the formal writing, ठीक है, because of the formal formalities, ठीक है. Then the main discussion which you want to ask to your sir, ठीक है, or to the principal. Then at the end you will write yours obediently, ठीक है. If you are writing it like this, ठीक है, so you are not going to use apostrophe over here, ठीक है, it won't be used here. Then you have to write this O in a small letters, ठीक है, and then at the end you will put comma, and on the place of XYZ you are not allowed to write your name. Why you are not allowed to write your name? Because we are doing this because of our examination point of view, that's why you are not able to write it, ठीक है. Second thing which I have faced which is the problem for me, that few of the students took the picture like this, ठीक है. So this isn't possible for me to check like that, ठीक है. And secondly, don't write with your pencils, ठीक है, use your black pen or your blue pen or any other color pen, ठीक है, but make sure to write it with your black and blue pen. Okay students, and और क्या था, let me memorize it. Yes, one more thing students, टेस्ट में जितनी चीज़ मैंने पूछी है मुझे सिर्फ उसका आंसर दिया करें. अगर मैंने इसमें से 2 दिए हैं तो आपको 2 अटैम्प्ट करने हैं, ना कि सारे, ठीक है. हम आपको टेस्ट बनाकर भेजते हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको उस टेस्ट में जो चीज़ें होती हैं सिर्फ वही अटैम्प्ट करनी होती हैं, ना कि जो कि बुक में और कॉपी में सारा का सारा लिखा हुआ है वो करना होता है, ठीक है. तो वही चीज़ें सिर्फ अटैम्प्ट किया करें जो मैंने टेस्ट में आपको करने के लिए दी होती हैं, ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा फिल नहीं किया करें. और जिस वक्त आप लोग अपना टेस्ट सर को भेज देते हैं तो आप लोग इस चीज़ को मेक श्योर किया करें दैट यू हैव सेंड ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर टेस्ट, ठीक है. आई रिसीव्ड सो मैनी टेस्ट इन विच आई हैव रिसीव्ड ओनली 1 part of your test, or the 5 marks test, or the 6 marks test, ठीक है, other 4 marks test is missing, then it will and for this you will lose your marks, ठीक है. Make sure to do this and for the next test, ठीक है. Okay students, this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.